Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back. It's your public tech advisor. Today, I've got some exciting news about a groundbreaking tech product, the AI Pin. Whether you are a fan of cutting-edge gadgets or just looking forward to upgrading your tech game, you won't want to miss this. It's your public tech advisor. Let's get you up to date. Meet the AI Pin. It's a wearable device that pins to your clothing. You wear it like a champ. A wearable AI for the new era. It comes in two pieces, the computer and the battery booster, and you clip them together to your clothing. There you go. You got a whole day battery life because the booster powers a small battery inside the computer. It's simply amazing. You operate it by a touch, voice, gesture, or laser ink on your palm. Welcome to the future. It is powered by a Snapdragon chipset, camera on the front, depth sensor and motion sensor, a speaker, an indicator light that tells you how you are interacting with the AI Pin, and when you receive a message or notification, there is a beacon light that flashes to let you know. There are no apps. It's all about AI. The operating system just loads the AI on demand from the device or cloud at the time you need it. For example, if you want to play music, the AI just streams it right away with the controls right on your hand to make the gestures. Just pinch to pause or close your hand to go back to the home screen. Just like that. You can ask it a question like, when is the next eclipse and the best place to see it? It will go to the internet, search, and tell you.
Next total solar eclipse will occur on April 8th, 2024. One of the best places to see it is Nazas, Durango, Mexico.
You can make a phone call through voice and it can live translate, like the S24 Ultra, our last video. Watch it up there. It can tell you how many calories are there in your food, help you shop and buy stuff online, double tap to take a photo or video, and can even read your notes and remember them for you. To manage and access all your photos, videos, notes, and others, there is a portal that you onboard with and set up your AI Pin called Humane.Center. You share your information and preferences there with the AI Pin and you interact with the backend through it. It's a complete system that is set to redefine your whole tech experience. The package includes the AI Pin itself, a charge case, charge pad, USB-C adapter and cable, and 2 battery boosters. But that's not all. The AI Pin comes in 3 stunning colors: matte black, lunar or white, and equinox, the shining black. The prices are $700 for the matte black and the lunar designs, while the equinox design comes in at $800. Shipping is set to begin in March 2024, so mark your calendars. But hold on, there is a catch: the Humane subscription. Humane has teamed up with T-Mobile to provide wireless service to the AI Pin. This partnership ensures reliable connectivity and wide coverage across the United States. So if you are in the US, for $24 a month plus taxes and fees, you get access to a plethora of features that covers cloud data storage, AI services, and domestic cellular plan with unlimited talk, text, and data. How long does it take for your order to ship? Well, priority orders will be shipped first in March, with regular orders following the order in which they were received. Unfortunately, international shipping is not available yet. But if you are in Nigeria and excited to order the AI Pin, we've got good news. While international shipping is not yet available, the team at Humane is working actively to expand their reach to other countries, and I'm sure Nigeria is in their radar. Right? Right, Humane? Please say yes. And there you have it, the AI Pin. A revolutionary device with a subscription plan that promises a seamless and enriching tech experience. If you have more questions, feel free to check the FAQ section on their website or reach out to the Humane support. It's your public tech advisor. Thank you for watching. Until the next one, cheers.